Here unexpectedly today with a quick update because a bunch of stuff is happening. Two big things happened. We're going to talk about what happened first, and then we're going to talk about what to do about it. The first thing that happened was parole was terminated for folks who came to the United States through CBP-1, so through the southern border. And then we also got reports that parole was terminated for folks who arrived through humanitarian parole in other means and through Operation Allies Welcome. Now we think that there were some erroneous messages sent. They've had erroneous messages sent before. They've sent them to people in the wrong name. They've sent them to the wrong groups. They've admitted fault. They've sent notices saying, oops, our bad. We hope that they'll do that again. In fact, we've encouraged them to do that again in any cases that have been sent erroneously. But there were some that were sent to the right people because this Department of Homeland Security believes that, parole should be terminated. Now, the second thing that happened is TPS, temporary protected status, was terminated, and the New York Times broke it. They said that it should be enacted by May or June, but that seems strange because generally how it works is a notice goes into the Federal Register that's like an official notice saying the government's going to do this, and then people have about 6 months to get their affairs in order before it goes into effect. We hope that if they follow through on TPS termination, they will allow folks the time to get their affairs in order. But I don't actually understand why they would do this because the conditions haven't changed in Afghanistan. In fact, they've gotten worse. It's not safe for anybody to go back to Afghanistan who has a relationship with the United States, and we know that. So we hope that folks will do something about this and change their mind. Now, what to do? The first thing that you can do is don't listen to anybody. Don't even listen to me. Other than this, the first thing you need to do is go get a lawyer. You can go to afghanevac.org/resources and find legal services at the bottom of our page. Look, a qualified immigration attorney is who you need to talk to find out, are you impacted by this? What do you need to do? And what actions do you need to keep yourself safe? The other things you need to do is, if you're in immigration court proceedings, you shouldn't leave. If you leave, that's a self-deportation. And this is what the lawyers tell me. It's a self-deportation. You might not be able to come here for 10 years. Same if you're looking for, if you're in the middle of a USCIS case processing of any kind, you can go to the various websites to check the status on either the court proceedings or the USCIS case status. And the other thing you can do is stay tuned. But get yourself an attorney if you're impacted by this or if you think you might be impacted by this. We don't know what's going to happen. We're going to make sure you stay informed. And please, please, please do what you can to keep yourself safe. Stay safe, stay tuned, and I hope to see you soon.